Let's understand importance of inverter. Power electronics converters includes DC to DC conversion, that is chopper, DC to AC conversion, it's called inverter, AC to DC conversion called rectifier or phase control rectifier, AC to AC conversion is regulator and cycloconverters. But inverter gain highest attention among all other converters. Let's see in application of inverters and why the importance of inverter is highest among all other converters. Low power inverters are basically used in household and industrial UPS, computer and car inverters, and wherever required to produce AC supply from available DC voltage source. Generally it converts 12 volt DC into 12 volt AC and then step up the voltage level with the help of transformer. Inverter are most important part of HVDC transmission line. We know that HVDC transmission line have many more advantage over the conventional AC transmission or high voltage AC transmission line. Medium power and high power inverters are main part of electric motor drive used to improve motor efficiency and performance. As electrical drive consumes 45% of world total energy consumption, it's prime concern to improve efficiency of electric drive. So now day by day use of inverter along with the electric motor is increasing, and this is why inverter is gaining more importance nowadays. Inverters are very famous with induction motor drive, in variable frequency drive and direct torque control drive to improve the efficiency of induction motors. It's also used with BLDC, SRM and PMSM motors. Inverter plays an important role in utilizing renewable energy like solar and wind. Inverters are used in induction heating. Nowadays, inverters are used in AC to DC conversion to reduce size and weight of transformer. From small mobile charger to high power fast EV charger, inverters are used as intermediate stage while converting AC into DC. Let's understand role of inverter in AC to DC conversion. AC to DC converter converts available AC supply of either 50 or 60 Hz into the DC voltage and DC current. Conventional AC-DC converter converts 230 volt AC into 12 volt DC or 5 volt, and according to requirement. If we take the example of high voltage, that is 230 volt AC to 12 volt DC conversion, the steps are: first it uses the transformer to step down the AC voltage, so it will reduce the voltage level of 230 volt to 12 volt, and then with the help of diode rectifier it will rectify it and convert in AC into DC. With the help of filter capacitor it will convert pure DC. So there are two stage current in conventional AC to DC converter. First it step down and then use the diode rectifier. Latest trend in AC to DC converter is more two stage are added with compared to conventional transformer and diode stage. So first stage will convert AC voltage into DC voltage directly with the help of diode rectifier, and then again DC will be converted into high frequency AC with the help of inverter. So here, instead of using transformer to step down the power frequency, that is 50 Hz or 60 Hz, transformer is used to step down the high frequency voltage. So there is the benefit of high frequency transformer. With the help of ferrite core, the size and weight of transformer will be reduced. So there will be significant reduction in size and weight of transformer and size and weight of overall converter. It also improves the efficiency of converter. If we compare the size and weight gain due to these two additional stage, it will be very less, because number of 4 diodes and 4 switches will not increase as much weight and size. As much reduction in weight and size will be due to reduction in size of high frequency transformer. So this is latest trend in AC-DC converter, and inverter stage is also there. This is why we observed reduction in size of power supply and chargers for same power rating. Conclusion is that an inverter is most important converter among all power electronic converters. Let's explore more detail about an inverter.